My Barbie dream look. Starring Miss PatriciaAnn. Now the before. Oh, girl. Girl! Oh my goodness. That is a hot mess. What are you doing? Why are you applying that on your eyes? Are you trying to cover your bags up? Are you gonna make it pile that for? What are you doing? Okay, we can't even see the palettes. What in the world? Is that black? Is it purple? I can't really tell because your quality of your lighting sucks. Oh. Oh. I now see why you're applying the strips of tape on your face. That's a pretty cool idea. Pretty cool idea. You can't really tell what you're doing there. Ooh, wait. What are you doing? Ooh. Okay. So that life hack works. Beauty hack works. Okay. Brag. Show off. Okay. Thumbs up. Oh, yeah. You need to do something with those eyebrows. Those eyebrows is awful. Ugh. Gross looking. Are you shaving them? What are you doing? Yeah, I know. That's a horrible situation you're in there, girl. You're gonna color them in now. Okay. You're gonna have to do what? No, what do you mean no? What are you doing now? The hell? Okay, you're gonna go add foundation to your face. Okay, cool. Now you're looking like striping your face like you're gonna be in. Okay, whatever. Dotting. What the hell is she doing? Okay, war paint, face paint. Just dab it all over your face. Oh, squirt it now all over your face. Okay. You got enough spots on your face? What's she doing? Okay, blend it, girl, blend it. She blending, Get that duck face in so you can get all the creases. Blend. You gotta blend harder than that. Oh, you're actually looking decent now. Hey, you're gonna have bruises there instead of contour. Yep. Okay. Add some more. Add some over that. Okay. Oh. That's a nifty little trick you got going there. You gotta cover those bags up. You know you got them. Yeah, they look confused. Oh, shake it off. Shake it. Ooh, what are you doing now? Okay, eyebrows. Your eyebrows look awful. I don't know how you're gonna fix them. You better get a mirror and get up close and personal and look at them. Okay, they don't look too bad. Brush them out. Hope to goodness you do something with that hair. Okay, girl. Yeah, sharpen it. You're gonna need some more. I mean, you're just drawing them all. You want a Sharpie? Okay. I don't know what you're doing there. It's not really looking like much of a difference. Yeah, there's not much of a difference there. Don't look at me like that. Okay. Add that around your eyes. Just stencil them out there. Got some long circles. You know what? Your eyebrows look like damn circles. Or you took an end of a pop can and just traced it. When this video turned into me roasting myself. Okay. Outline the eyebrows. What did you just say? Did you just call me a bee? Yeah, you did. Blend that in. Come on, girl. Blend it. Blend it faster. Oh, gonna move your eyebrow. Man, I can't even talk. You're gonna smear your eyebrows. Yeah, okay, you got an attitude problem? Listen here, little half pot can eyed-browed girl that wants to be a Barbie. Hey, you heard me. Oh, okay, you got a different brush, blend it in a little bit better. Oh, you're plucking your eyebrows now. Okay. Get all these little stubbles out of the way. Apparently you got a lot of stubbles going on there. Oh my goodness. At this point you just need to shave them off and start all over. Okay, add a little cat eye there. Cat wing in it, whatever. Some eyeliner. Some blush. Oh, girl, got some lipstick going on. Look at those little lips. Okay. Ooh. Girl, camo Barbie. Oh, wow, camo Barbie. Camo Barbie, huh? You looking cute. Yes. Country Barbie at its best. Loving this look. Whoop whoop. Ah, girl. Look at you flipping that hair. Give the hair a whoop. Hey. So cute and adorable. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed and you had fun with my voiceover of myself.